Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words sleek and slick. Let's look at each one individually. Sleek, adjective, smooth and glossy in appearance, having an elegant or streamlined shape. Well-groomed or sophisticated in style. For example, the new sports car has a sleek design that turns heads. She wore her hair in a sleek ponytail. The smartphone features a sleek interface that is easy to navigate. Slick, adjective or verb. Adjective, smooth and slippery, done in a clever or deceptive way. Stylish but possibly superficial. Verb, to make something smooth or glossy. For example, be careful, the floor is slick from the spilled water. He gave a slick presentation, but I wasn't convinced by his arguments. She slicked back her hair with gel for a polished look. To summarize, sleek generally refers to something that is smooth, glossy, or well-designed, often conveying elegance or sophistication. Slick can describe something that is smooth and slippery, or indicate cleverness that may be superficial or deceptive. It can also be used as a verb to mean making something smooth. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.